First of all, Professor Joshua is an amazing instructor. I learned very well from him. I'm kind of a hands-on person, so every time he shows us, like today, we're grafting crepe myrtle trees.
I think it's actually pretty interesting. He has a lot more knowledge about more in-depth versions of the study than I would have expected when I started. But it's definitely helped because the way he teaches can kind of adapt to how we need to learn it, and he's got a lot of examples that help understand everything. And a lot of it's hands-on, so that helps as well.
Different color flowers, different color leaves, but they'll produce their own, but together on one plant. And so it's pretty interesting.
You cut the branches through the xylem so that they can connect with each other, and then over time they kind of fuse together, and then when you tape it, it makes sure none of the moisture is lost so that the fuse is seamless, so you can have the best possible propagation. I think it actually applies to a lot of fields. For this one specifically, like if you ever have a garden in your own house, like a lot of my other classmates, they have their personal gardens, so everything we learn here they take back home and they practice it there. Or we learn kind of how to best take care of a yard, or how to grow fruits, vegetables, even take care of trees. And you can pretty much use that in your everyday life.